I'm in the car again and I'm about to get out, but I was thinking today, because I'm doing some things in my house, what are simple things you can do to make your house look more modernized, won't cost a lot, and yet it could change the look of a room? Well, let's start with lighting. I had recessed lighting, but instead I just put new hi-hats all through the house. And I can't tell you the difference. I'll have to do a before and after. It's amazing how it changes the look. In the kitchen, new knobs, new handles. Don't leave those old handles that have been there for 10 years or longer. Go spend a few dollars, doesn't cost much. Put some new handles on the drawers and it will change the look. Painting, of course. I'm not going to say paint the entire home, but if you paint a room or you do touch-up painting, makes a huge difference. In the bathroom, you know what changes the look of a bathroom? I know a lot of people like to put shower curtains in their bathroom. I have one bathroom that has a shower curtain. No one uses the damn bathroom, but we have a shower curtain. I thought to make it look pretty. You know what? I took it down. It made the bathroom look bigger. It looks better. So do simple things like that. Have your towels and your bath rugs match so they complement each other. It's a simple thing, doesn't cost a lot. What about the mirrors in the bathroom? I know the mirrors I have in my bathroom are probably 15 years old. It's the age of the house. And now we're going to take the mirrors down and we're going to hang mirrors in there and make it more modernized. I mean, it's so simple. The other thing I recommend, and this for sure doesn't cost anything. Make the room as minimalistic as you can. Take everything off your counter. Take your personal tchotchkes or whatever you want to call them off your counters, off the tables in the living room, wherever, and just simplify it. It really does change. Doesn't cost a lot. Outdoors, couple of simple things. Have your hedges. If you have hedges, cut them. Make them all one size. You know, make it look good. Put new mulch down. Most people use mulch or they use the colored rocks or white rocks. Just a little bit of touch-up like that can change the whole look, won't break the bank, and it'll make a big difference. So until the next time, I think the next time I'm going to talk about budget and return on investment. What are the biggest things you can do to get the biggest return on investment? I'm Denise. I'm with the All Florida Home Team. Hope to see you soon or hear from you. Have a blessed day.